What's up, guys? It's Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. As you guys seen on the thumbnail, this is kind of a sad day for me. Just sucks, you know, because it just sucks, guys. And we've been working on this car for so long, and it's just been on jack stands for the longest time, and just being perfected. And it finally got done, what, 5-6 months ago, and then this has to happen. Like, it really sucks. I'm gonna break it all down to you guys in a little bit. Right now we're just getting ready to take it to the body shop and see what's gonna happen. I think it's gonna be a total, but we're just gonna take it to the body shop and then we're gonna go from there. But the thing that sucks about this is I've been working on this car for so long, and just, you know, this car has been inspirational for others. It's inspired others to build their cars. It's been through Toys for Tot drives. It's raised money for awareness, and it's just done a whole lot for the community and, you know, people around me, and a lot of Instagram groups and Facebook groups and stuff like that. So this car isn't just like a car, it's more of a charity car, honestly, you know. And it's, like I said, it's inspired a lot of people and bring a lot of gifts and stuff to the kids and stuff like that in a short amount of time that it has been up and running. And the thing that I'm like so disheartened about is I wanted to finish this car before I started nursing school, so I wouldn't have a damn, dude, I got like the camera shaking because I'm telling you guys, and I wasn't sure if I should talk about this or go into detail about it, or if I should just hide it from you guys and stuff like that. But I told myself, you know, I want to be 100% transparent with my followers and show them the car and where it came from and stuff like that. But so I wanted to get this thing done before nursing school, because nursing school I'll be doing 5 days out of the week, 8 to 12 hours a day, and I wouldn't have time to actually work on the car. And that's where I'm going with this right now. I don't have time to like fix this, and I know it's going to be a total. And literally my money's tied up in nursing school because I paid for my education, you know, and this was one of the last things I wanted to do before I went to school, was to get this done so I wouldn't have to worry about a bill or worry about this thing looking like a paperweight in the driveway and stuff like that. And I've been in nursing school for 4 months right now, and literally I have a paperweight again, and I don't have the funds to bring it back. So it sucks, you know. And then my landlord, you know, I'm going to nurse school so I could get a house and work on these cars and stuff like that and have more space and stuff. And my landlord seen this thing in the driveway, 5 months ago, and she's like, oh, you need to get that like fixed and all this type of stuff, or, you know, you're pretty much gonna get like kicked out the house. So like now I'm in nursing school, and I literally won't even have time to fix this thing. And it's an older Civic, so they're only gonna give me $1,600 to $2,600 to repair it, and it looks like it's about $3,800 in repair, and that's like going through a friend and getting it painted and stuff like that. So I mean, I think the car is going to be a total loss. I don't have the money to fix it. I would like to keep the car. It has a B20 swap. It has it's been barred for California. It's legit. So there's a lot of videos that I wanted to go over and show you guys like what's in the car and how I barred it. And there's so much more in this car that needs to be vlogged about and stuff. And it's like, at this point, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So let's just get it to the body shop, guys, and then we're just gonna go from there. So here's what happened to the car. Literally sucks, man. Nothing's attached right now. Everything's falling off of it. We're gonna put a couple zip ties on it and just make it to the body shop. It was leaking fluid when it got in the accident. I'm gonna just zip tie it up, and we'll just get it to the body shop. man. I can't even zip tie this side. Everything's burnt out on the tires. All the tire letters are chewed up. Let's just get it to the body shop, guys. We're gonna take it in and see what they have to say about it. I'm pretty sure it's a total loss. I don't know, dude. We'll just have to see. So the car still runs. There's no coolant in it. But the body shop is literally like 3 blocks from my house. So I'm driving it cold right now. We'll get there before it even warms up, to be honest. Look at that shit. That shit is so ugly. Look at the hood, guys. So we made it to the body shop. This thing is so ugly now. It could have been worse. At least I'm not injured. My shoulder and my neck does hurt a little bit, so I'm gonna go to the doctors to get checked up on, but at least I'm not like injured, you know, like straight injured. Hi, Lucy. Is Alex in?
Yeah, he's in the office.
Okay, thank you. Dude, Alex. Sorry, bro.
What's up, man?
Chilling. That thing looks hella ugly, bro. That looks so ugly. It's like the ugliest thing I've ever seen. And then I put it together 5 months ago, so that's like the worst thing.
Are you gonna try to keep it?
Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it. This dude got a wide body. What is it, Shelby, right? GT500?
Sure. Yeah, GT500, 2009.
That thing's clean. I'll show you guys a picture. Yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it.
Let's go check it out.
Alright. Pizza. He looked like he got straight, like, rear end for real. Like he rear ended somebody. Man, oh man, bro. Fucking embarrassing, bro.
I thought it was white in the picture you sent me.
What, white?
I thought it was white. It looked white.
Oh, no, yeah, I call it off-white, but it's gray pretty much. It opens. You can put the latch up right there if you need to. Look at this angle, man. That shit is crazy. That's a straight fucking L, bro. Yeah, I'm glad where it hit because it was a truck, so it didn't touch any of the mechanical part.
Yeah, it should be good though. Looks like it's the rear support, real bumper head. We gotta blend though, blend the fenders.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. And the fenders will be okay, you think? They're fucking like out of place like a motherfucker. They're bowed up on all of them. Like that one's way up.
Yeah, it's pretty clean.
Not bad for putting that shit together in my driveway. Fuck. And then the ugly shit is this was a real SI grill right here. So I want to try to put another real SI grill on here because this is a real SI grill.
Oh, okay.
So that's why it's like a 3-piece grill like this. The other ones are, you know, eBay. They don't even sell an eBay SI grill. They do an eBay Type R, but not SI. So that's the only. Yeah, not a SI. They do the eBay Type Rs. But that's a real SI grill right here. See, and it came, you can see the electric blew up under there.
This one looks okay. You got the claim number?
Yeah, I got the claim number. Oh, for insurance, how much damage do you think it is? Generally speaking. I know we still gotta break it down, but just off top.
Probably about 3,300.
That's what I said. I was thinking 28 to 3,600. So I wasn't too far off. Like I said, 28 to 36, but he said 32, so in that ballpark. And the car is not worth that because it's a 1996 Honda Civic, man. All right, guys. So I think I got everything out the car that I need, besides my water bottle. That's pretty much what we're looking at, man. Like you said, you know, that's the price of the price. So we're just gonna have to take this day by day and figure it out. Sucks that this had to happen to me. Right now, I'm about to just go over like everything that happened with you guys, so you'll know how this accident, like, just how it came about this. So we're just gonna go over it, and I'll show you guys exactly what happened and how this happened right here to the car, because it looks like it was my fault, honestly, but it wasn't my fault, because I hit the passenger of his bed, and there's no way my passenger could hit his passenger like that. So I got a print it out for him, and we'll go over everything.